Hello again. In tech step 1, we went through the need to set up a Gmail account and an ifttt.com account. In tech step 2, we went through the process to create a destination, and we set up a destination called Coffee Shop and went through the process for that. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the features along the menu bar above, and later in the next video show you how to set up the recipes in ifttt.com, which will be the final step. So up here on the menu we've got preview, and every account with signing up for the toolbox will get a bit of content added for free. We have a library built into the tool, which we add to as well, and that's content that you can use if you don't source your own content. So just waiting for my browser to hurry up. There we go, preview. And if we click through these three buttons, the shared library, like I said, is just a library of images, articles, videos that you can use. These particular ones here are already loaded. If we click on preview again, are already loaded, ready to go the moment that you sign up for Social Media Toolbox. And you would find them if you click on content to publish. You'll see that there is already a stream name called Image Life Quotes. Click on next. All of these particular images are all saved as separate posts under the stream name called Image Life Quotes. And the way the toolbox handles content, you would, if you created content of your own, you would simply click on create content and you would give it a stream name. So you might want to add 50 or 100 particular YouTube video links. Put the link in there. Images, put the link to the image in there. You might want to link them all under a particular stream name. And that will be covered in a separate video. For now, just quickly going through these so that you have a basic idea of how the system works. In the Create Tags section, you are able to create groups or lists of hashtags or phrases. So for every post that the toolbox sends out, it will send out 3 hashtags with your post, and it will grab a particular hashtag from each of these 3 slots. So for example, if we go into slot 1 and we call this tech, you can create a list of hashtags all to do with tech. Whatever you like. And you would click add and it would save that. And it would save it as a list under slot 1 collections. Again, the same for slot 2 and slot 3. So when it sends a post, it'll go to whichever collection you choose when publishing, which we'll get to in a minute. And it will grab from that list a hashtag, and from this list a hashtag, and from this list a hashtag. And those 3 random hashtags would go with your post. So each post that leaves the toolbox and is published is unique. So if you are sending or resending links to Twitter or to Facebook, they're unique. And using hashtags and a wide range of hashtags really gets your content out there when it comes to Twitter search and things like that. We've already handled create a destination in the video before this one in Tech Step 2. So I'm going to go straight to publish. And the publish process, click view hard, will bring up a slot here where if you had to click this one, it will bring up the same. So you can run 2 streams. If you click here, you can run 3 streams. And remember, a stream will you will select a stream name to publish in a stream. And this particular stream could be going to Twitter, this could be going to Facebook, this could be going to LinkedIn. So let's not worry about all those and just click here on your content. And it will ask you for a platform to choose. In the Pro version or the Silver version, you get more than just Twitter, but this video is just the free version. Here is the stream names. So again, when you create content, if you created 20, 30 different stream names, they would all be listed under here. Each stream name would have under it all of its associated posts. Here, the destination is the coffee shop, and that's what we created when we set up a destination. It is possible to create multiple destinations. So if you had 100 Twitter accounts, for example, you could have 100 destinations and they would all be listed here under the destinations, but that'll be covered in an advanced video. So I'm going to click next, and the system will now ask you to select your 3 hashtag groups or lists. I've already created a couple. For example, live quotes. This is not the stream name. This is just a list of hashtags. And I created 3 separate groups of hashtags, and that's where I would select them. If you had created tech, then tech would be on this list. And you might want a whole bunch of tech ones for that slot, a whole bunch of tech ones for that slot, a whole bunch of tech ones for that slot. And the post will go out by choosing a hashtag from each of those lists. But more on that in a different video. Here you choose the timescale for the stream. So if you wanted it to send a stream to Twitter every 15 minutes, it would send a post from the stream name that you selected. So you may have 50 posts under that stream name. It will send one every 15 minutes, and every time it sends one, it will grab a new hashtag from the groups of hashtags that you pre-create. You can set an expiry date if you really want to. Post header is something, if you wanted to say shared by your website. Stream Social is one of our sites. This wording would be appended to every single post. So where the hashtags are different and random from different groups of hashtags, this here is added to every post. You can decide whether you want the stream to loop, so when it gets to the end of the stream, it starts from the beginning again. And on platforms like Twitter, even Facebook, not a problem, because the viewers on Twitter really are only going to see your content if you're really posting often. Here you would choose tweet plus pics, because we know that in this stream it was images. And click go. And off it goes.